Pangungunahan mismo ni outgoing Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia ang transition at turnover kay Governor-elect Pam Baricuatro. Wala pang komento si Garcia sa kanyang pagkatalo sa pagkagobernador, pero may patama siya sa kanyang unang press con mula nang matalo sa eleksyon. Yan ang agenda report ni Mary Ann Uy.
Siyam na araw matapos ang halalan, ito ang unang pagkakataon na humarap sa media sa Cebu si outgoing Governor Gwen Garcia. Pero pawang mga kaso niya ang kanyang ipresenta kung saan iginiit niya na questionable ang pagpataw sa kanya ng suspensyon. Kinwestiyon din niya ang isa pang kaso na isinampa na isang Michelle R. Osmeña kaugnay ng Bus Rapid Transit Project ng Cebu. Partikular na binanggit ni Garcia sa press con kasama ang kanyang mga abogado ang pagkakakilanlan at kredibilidad ng mga nag-akusa sa kanya at ang mabilis na pagpapalabas ng ombudsman ng kanyang suspensyon noong Abril.
Here, we also note that and agree that there was no need actually for a preventive suspension. And given the fact that the Office of the President has already dismissed the case, and since this case actually involves the same matters alleged in the Office of the President, same grounds, abuse of authority, oppression, it could have been dismissed motu proprio by the Office of the Ombudsman already, given that another body has already taken prior cognizance of the administrative aspect of the case, such that this could further weaken the case already that is pending with the Office of the Ombudsman, filed by this Michelle R. Osmeña.
We're presenting this to you to just show these irregularities are present, further buttressing our belief that these are all orchestrated. Unfortunately, insofar as the first TRO was concerned, we were proven right. The Court of Appeals, the first suspension was correct. The governor was proven right. The Court of Appeals have issued an injunction. And here they come now. Turuwa na sad maayo pagkadispuga. On its face itself, Michelle R. Osmeña, very, very intriguing name, including the middle initial R. Osmeña. But
Sinabi rin ni Garcia na may tamang panahon para pag-usapan ang resulta ng midterm election sa Cebu.
The Cebuanos will realize how weird, how strange, and how abusive those responsible for the chain of events that have happened in the lead up to the elections and thereafter. We will talk about the elections and its results at another time.
Pero sa huling parte ng press con, maanghang ang mga salitang binitiwan ni Garcia.
Finally, this is a message to you, and you know who you are. There is a quote. I was looking for a quote about a quote that would best fit you. And this is the quote. Nothing destroys one's respect in the hearts of others than greed. I had so much respect for you, but your unfathomable and insatiable greed has destroyed that respect.
Di man niya pinangalanan pero malinaw daw ang mensahe ni Garcia. Ang tamaan ay siya na nga. Para sa agenda, Mary Ann Uy, Billionaire News Channel.